Izakhamizi zaseSoweto sezizwakalise ukukhathazeka ngezokuphepha ngenxa yombango oqhubekayo phakathi kwezinhlangano ezimbili zamatekisi okuyiWATA neNanduwe. Kulandela ukuphazamiseka kokusebenza kwamatekisi kuleli lokishi, kancane kancane izinsiza seziyabuyela kwisimo esijwayelekile, yize abanye abagibeli besaqhubeka nokukhathazeka ngokubanjwa umbango. Abanye bakhululekile ngokuthi ukusebenza kwamatekisi okujwayelekile sekuqalile.
Asebuyele emgwaqeni amanye amatekisi angaphansi kwenhlangano iNanduwe eSoweto kulandela udweshu lwemizila olubheduke ngomsombuluko phakathi kwabo kanye nozakwabo iWATA. Abagibeli bathi yize bakuthokozela ukubuya kwamatekisi njengoba bebesokola ngisho ukuya emsebenzini, kodwa lukhona uvalo ngokuphepha kwezimpilo zabo.
Tseba di-taxi di le siko re a sokola hobane ha re tshwanetse ya toropong or anywhere around mo Soweto ha go sena transport we suffer gagolo. So re itumetsa le re di-taxi di khutlile o mongwe o tla from point A to point B ya gage re be right, and ka re go ka nna right go se ka tlhola go ba le ntho tse so gape because ba bang ba sebetsa and ba sa mesebetsi ya fela bophelo bo ya kofatsi.
Ukuthi siphephile kanti asiphephanga ngoba njalo iyasuka ngelina kahle kahle asazi kulelwa ini. Yaliwa nje bale baphambili asazi kulelwa ngoba abantu bahlupheka abaspecial abasebenzayo nabantu abadayila ukuya edrobheni benza into zabo.
Kungabikho kwamateksi ngoba bekunetha nemvula besingakhona ukutravela kunetha imvula, so sibonga nemoto ezincane ebezikhona ukusinceda ukuthi sikhona ukuthi sigibele senze izinto zethu, kodwa kona ukungabikho kwamateksi kusilimaze kakhulu.
Lolu dweshu lushiyeke ababili kobandayo ngenkathi abakwaZidlodlo bephuthumela endaweni yesigameko ukuyolamula izulu lezandla. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo.
Khona manjalo iNanduwe Taxi Association iqinisekisile ukuthi amatekisi ayo azoqala ukusebenza ngokugcwele kusukela ngomsombuluko ozayo. Kodwa-ke le nhlangano isola umnyango wamaphoyisa kamasipala waseGoli phecelezi JMPD ngokudala ukwesaba kubagibeli nabashayeli kokufika nesibhamu nokwenza ukusesha emzileni ebimisiwe. Inhlangano iphinde iqinisekise ukuma kwayo esinqumeni sangaphambilini senkantolo esathi imizila ngeyayo.
It's true that the taxis are back, though even though very few of them, the rest are still parked at home. And then those who went out, they have reasons why they went there. Some have the commitments, they need money. Some have the problem with paying their installments. But I think very soon they will be back, maybe by Monday. And then the reason why some are not still there, we have JMPD unmarked parkies harassing the drivers and the members. Some are even guarding or harassing the members and the drivers at the points whereby we don't even have conflict. Like Crossroads, some members of the JMPD came and then they pull up their big guns, point guns to the drivers, let them lie down and search. Some they are harassed at Mufulo, Sizwe stores, some at Dube station and Mufulo Shabalala. We don't have problem. We don't have conflict in those areas. The MEC mentioned straight away last a few days ago that those places belongs to Nanduwe. Now this JMPD came with water and then they forced members to come and then work together, meaning they call it kaka kaka. That means it's you after you is me, you after me is you. We don't want that. It's our areas. Why should we share with somebody else?